Melissa Giles, Crazy Imagination Travel. I'm so excited to tell you my family is taking their 14th Adventures by Disney, and look what just came in the mail. I want to show you what happens when you book an Adventures by Disney and what good care they take of us. So we have 4 in our family, and we each got a goodie box. So let's take a peek and see what's inside. About 30 days, 45 days before travel, your box will arrive. And inside the box, I love it. It has a nice little bag here filled with goodies, and it says, let's make some memories. So family memories is exactly what we're gonna do this summer. And let's see, let's open this up. The first thing I see is our adventure handbook. I love this handbook. Everything we are going to need to know about our trip, Japan, what to pack, money conversion, things like that. So we have Adventures by Disney Japan, all the different places that we're gonna visit: Osaka, Kyoto, Hiroshima, Takayama, Hakone, and Tokyo. And we're putting Tokyo Disney on the end of our trip. I'm so excited. So inside your book, and this one's Scott and Clay's, so it tells you what required travel documentation that you're gonna need, preparing for your adventure, travel tips, destination information, common words and phrases. This is always fun. When we're traveling overseas, the family and I like to look at the different words and practice those. They're basic words like I'd like a cup of coffee, or hello, or how are you, or goodbye, things like that that are very helpful and useful. Our daily itinerary, our adventure summary, emergency information, hotel and travel directory, and adventure notes. And love this, what to pack. So everything is here for us. Our travel information, all different kinds of things. So here's even a little checklist. Daytime, what do we need to wear? Footwear, miscellaneous items. And I like, as we were looking through this, it was reminding me and our family about the customs of Japan, and that it's hospitable to take your shoes off in certain locations. So you'll want to make sure Disney takes care of everything. I love it. That we wear shoes that are easy to take off and put back on. So that's another neat little tip. Upon arrival in Japan, guess what? We have no worries, because I know when the Paddle of Power is there at the airport, they are going to take care of me. We're under the Disney umbrella. They're going to take our bags, take us where we need to go, all around Japan. I would never travel overseas without Disney. I love it, I love it. Okay, here's how I call the United States, accommodations, just on and on and on and on. And then back here, in the very back, it talks about gratuities, hotel and travel directory, and all that kind of good stuff. So as you can see, Adventures by Disney takes such good care of our guests. I highly recommend it. Now that we're ready to go on our Japan adventure this summer, let's check out the goodies that are left inside this box. Let's see. Disney always sends nice goodies. Okay, I see a backpack. Well, that is going to be very handy for my family when we go to Japan. We've got Adventures by Disney. This looks sturdy, waterproof, ready to go. We have a cinch up here at the top. Nice. Put all of our goodies as we travel around Japan. And we have a front zipper pocket, and I think there's some more goodies in here. So open it up and see. Of course, again, Adventures by Disney thinks of everything. We have luggage tags. Now on our luggage tags, they say Adventure by Disney. I love that. Whenever I'm at the airport and I happen to see a luggage tag or something that says Adventures by Disney, I always stop and talk to the guests and see what adventures that they have been on. That's always super fun to see where our guests adventure around the world and in the US. So on the back of these, we can put our name, our phone number, and address on our luggage tags. So it's very awesome. For your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa at crazyimaginationtravel.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to follow all my magical Disney vacations. And my website, Melissa at crazyimaginationtravel.com/Melissa. And last but not least, I have a Facebook page where all the hot off the press Disney announcements are made. So don't forget to like that. See you real soon.